Oh no, this is bad.
It's fine. They only last like 2 minutes or something.
Oh, they do? No, I probably missed like half of it.
No, I just heard it go off like not too long ago. It went,
I know, but...
you can see how long it was.
I mean, it's really... I mean, I don't really think...
What is this one?
Looks... I don't know.
I don't either.
Plus, it doesn't really show it that much on here.
Yeah, it's very hard to get them on video, babe.
Yeah. Maybe it might look better when I post it, which I don't even know if I will or not, because I don't know if I
That
got...
one has palm trees.
The other one had palm trees.
A lot of them usually have palm trees, it seems like. It's like their
What's
thing.
that on there? Is that like a mouse or something?
I don't know.
Kind of looks like a sunset if you look at it.
Yeah.
It was like yellow and orange. It's pretty cool.
Guess, but I don't see. Oh, I didn't see anything else until. Oh no, that's rainbow. That's a rainbow. I don't get what that is.
I think it's just the end of the parade. It's a police boat with no red lights.
I don't know.
Get out
Nope,
of the
it's not.
water.
No, it's not. Cause look at that one. Okay, hopefully I got all of the parade. I don't think I did though.
Hopefully.
Well, I took 2 videos, so I'm gonna have to make it part 1 and part 2.